This demonstration shows you how to test if your flour is right for prosphoro. Mix equal weights of flour and water. I'm testing 3 different flours here. The 2 on the right are plain flour. The farina is very finely ground, that's the 00. The organic plain flour in the middle. And the last on the left, the baker's flour, which I use, it's called premium baker's flour by Demeter Mills in Australia. After 20 minutes of resting, you can see that the ones on the right hold together a little bit but break apart reasonably easily. The plain flour is not too bad. It's got some structure. But look at the one on the left, the baker's flour. It has the highest protein content and does this. This is how you know you've got the right kind of flour. That's what you want.